Every can begins as rolled aluminum. Material is staged for precision use. Flat metal becomes the starting point. Preparation protects speed and quality. Shape begins with force. Timing becomes critical. Walls are formed to microns. Cleanliness is mandatory. Stability follows heat. Identity is applied instantly. Design becomes permanent. Protection happens inside. Precision shapes the opening. Standards never pause. Flow is balanced. Loads are secured. Distribution begins. And this is how modern factories produce aluminum cans from start to finish.